Good morning, everybody. We're here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're going to twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. We have a beautiful ladies large V-neck tee. And we are going to do a pleated yoke on this here V-neck. I think a pleated yoke front bottom possibly. We'll see what she has in store. Whatever she's feeling today. Motorcycle. Fighting the bees out here, people. It's a nice, beautiful day. It's warmed up. And they are certainly flying. So that's what we like to see. Animals on the move. That's not a motorcycle, that's the truck.
I don't know about that.
Or a truck. What did I tell you? Getting it all folded up, nice pleat all the way across the yoke. She's gonna band it up right. We gotta twist it up tight, fold it up tight. Get it banded up right. We'll start throwing on the color.
Okay. Maybe one more.
Yeah, they're going to the shop or something. Try to keep that pleat together. Sometimes it can be hard. Alrighty.
We could do a swirl on the bottom.
A little bit of a spiral. A little twisty twist on the bottom.
We've done those before. Those always
harassed over here, man.
they're not bothering me.
They're liking me as a fly, I think. It's not a bee. It is after me. Horsefly. Shoe fly don't bother me. Look at that. To the dyeing rack?
Let's go.
Let's do it.
Gotta wipe off.
Gotta prepare that rack.
Okay.
Let's do it. Maybe that needs just a hair. I'm sorry, Mama. Thank you.
We'll do this one like the sunshine over the ocean.
Okay. Sun shining over the ocean. I love those. So we got golden yellow, deep orange, fire red.
And maybe some, let's see, black.
Some better black. Deep purple. All the beautiful colors. some bluebird.
Think I could use that Cayman Isle?
You can see what it does. I would use it and the granny so that you definitely get something out of it. You know what I mean? Look at that. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful turquoise. Oh, that's nice. Just like, yeah. I figure that'll all mix together and do something, you know?
Yeah.
So, time for the flippy flop. All told, on this one we have golden yellow, deep orange, fire red, better black, deep purple, bluebird, what are the last two?
Cayman Isle, bluebird, and granny apple.
So, all told, on this one we have golden yellow, deep orange, fire red, better black, deep purple, bluebird, Cayman Isle green, and then to top it all off, granny apple.
That's it.
Beautiful plethora of color.
I wanted it to look like the sunshine
Over an ocean.
yeah. Sunset
A
over
beautiful
an ocean.
blue-green ocean. Yeah, that's awesome. I say I would apply that liberally, the Cayman liberally. Not necessarily the green, but you know what I mean, the Cayman Isle.
Yes.
Dump it on there. Can't use too much Cayman.
Alright, I think we're good to go.
Alrighty, to the drying rack.
Let's go. I don't want these to drip on each other.
No, definitely not. So put this one over here.
Yeah.
Top shelf, where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.